Hello everyone. Today I will recycle an old cake board. So let's start. At first, apply white acrylic color as base coat and let it dry for some time. Then apply some white glue in the middle part and stick a round mirror. I have taken some talcum powder and fevicryl molded clay. Rub the powder on your hand occasionally to avoid stickiness. Now stick white glue around the mirror. I will suggest using fevicol MR for this purpose. I am sticking the clay around it. I have taken some small round mirrors. I am sticking them one by one using glue and also sticking some clay around them. You can see that I have not drawn any patterns here because I didn't have anything particular design in my mind while doing this. I just followed my mind and kept on doing whatever I like. If you want, you can follow this design or try different patterns instead. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends so that everyone can see it. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I post any video. Your support means a lot. For any queries, please comment below. Now I will make the border and do rest of the design after that. While making border, apply some clay on the sides too. This will make the edge smoother. Remember that the outer border would be thicker than rest of the design, like this. I have made some tiny balls of clay and sticking them one by one. It took me 2 packs of fevicryl clay to complete the whole design. I have let them dry and now applying acrylic colors. Don't worry if the color gets over the clay part. You just keep coloring. You can use any color of your choice here. After coloring, let it dry for some time. Then take white acrylic color and apply it on the clay parts. And it's ready. Isn't it looking beautiful? Please let me know in the comment sections. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.